Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I am so excited. I am not a big makeup person, but I found this product called Thread in Target, and it was only $7.99. And I got it because I had been looking for my other previous makeup, and I can't find it in any stores. You can only buy it online, and then sometimes they don't even have it online. So decided to try something new, and let's see how it works. So what I love about this product is that it's Black owned, number one. It's 100% cruelty free, and it's vegan, and it's Detroit based, and it's woman owned, okay? So come on, come through. Let's support the women in business, Black owned business. So let's see how it works. I like it because it's a stick. You don't have to put too much on. And I just blotch it. And as I mentioned, I'm not a big makeup wearer. I like to look natural as much as possible. And I also don't have my glasses on, so it's no telling how I'm going to look. But you don't have to do too much. And I kind of prepped my eyelashes and my eyeliner before I got on. So that is it, putting it on. And I believe in putting my makeup on with my hand. My hands are clean, they're washed. So don't touch your face unless you clean your hands, because you don't want to put all those other germs on your hands or on your face. So here I go. I like it because it's really natural and it blends in with my skin. And I got number 60. And I tried multiple colors before I purchased the number 60. And all of them were kind of chalky on me. But this one right here blends right in with my skin. And I love makeup that doesn't look like I have on makeup. So this looks like it's a win for me. Yes, it does. I don't have to have anything else on, which I like. So this is my final look. I'm ready to go start my day selling some real estate as well as